Hi guys, today I will show you how to apply different template pages in one page creation process. This can be very helpful if you have different layouts for your services, for example, where you would usually need to create different source files and also different template pages. Using this function, you will be able to create and manage all your pages from one single source file. As you can see, I have created a template page for plumbing and also one for roofing services. Both pages have a city placeholder, so I can target different cities. So let's head over to my Google Sheet. Here I already prepared the file and inserted service, city, and LPagery template as column headers. Now I can just fill out the cells and insert the slug of the template page I want to use for each row in the LPagery underscore template column. So in my case, I want to use the plumbing template page, and I head over to that template page and check the slug of that page and insert it into the column. I can also use a placeholder in the column, so in this case it would automatically search for the slug with the value from the service column and apply that template page. Make sure that the template page with the slug resulting from the placeholder does exist. If no template page with the given slug is found, LPagery will use the selected template page from the dashboard as template page, but we will get to that in a moment. For demonstration purposes, I will just add another row where I insert car wash. This template page slug does not exist, and therefore the backup template page will be used. So now I am done with the preparation of the source file and head back over to the LPagery dashboard. Here I select the template page that will act as backup. Make sure that the slug of each created page is unique, so in my case I enter the combination service and city, as this combination will result in unique slugs and pages. Then I'll paste in the link to my Google Sheet. As always, make sure to share the Google Sheet via link so LPagery can read it. Now we can see that the correct template pages have been selected, and the car wash page will use the backup template page we selected. We can also see that the row where I added the placeholder in the LPagery template column got the correct template page via the value in the service column. Then I can create the pages, and as you can see, the correct pages have been created with the correct template page. So, in the case of Plumbing New York, the plumbing template was used. And Roofing London, the roofing template page. And here we can see the page where the default template was used. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and until next time.